Namaskar, you are watching Kendra Vidyalaya Hub, and today in this video we are going to solve a 5 previous year question. Let's start. First question. Development is never ending process. This idea is associated with option principle of interaction, principle of continuity, principle of integration, or a principle of interaction. So the answer is option number 2, principle of continuity. Why? As we have studied in the previous class that development is a process. It follows the certain patterns and certain sequence which is almost similar in all child. And why it is considered as a continuous process. It is considered as a continuous process because it is continue from womb to tomb. It means it start from conception and end with death. That's why the development is known as the continuous process. Clear? Question number 2. The pace of development varies from one individual to another, but it follow dash pattern. And the option is number 1, a toe to head, a haphazard, 3 option, and unpredictable, number 4, a sequential and orderly. So what will be the answer? The answer is option number 4, is sequential and orderly. As we know that the pattern and the series or the we can say the sequence of development is same almost in all children. Okay, but what make a difference is the factor. The factor, the rate of development is truly depend on factors. For example, we have studied in the early class that the environment, heredity, that the social surrounding where they are staying, okay, that play the very important role that makes the difference in the rate of development. Pace of development is vary among the individual, but the sequence and the pattern is same. Number 3, adolescents may experience feeling of fear about sin committed in the childhood, feeling of self-actualization, option number 3, feeling of satiations about life, and option number 4, anxiety and concern about themselves. So what will be the answer? The answer will be the option number 4, that is the anxiety and concern about themselves. As we all know that adolescence age is also known as the stress and storm age. Why? Because in this age they are very, very vulnerable. Means, and what are the role, okay, that playing for it? That is the hormones. Okay, the hormones are playing the very important role in this age because sometimes they feel very much moody, okay, and sometimes they are very much happy, they are showing their happiness, sometimes so much sad and dissatisfied with the family also, and it lead certain kind of the like gap between the family and their children's, because this is the age where they themselves feel like they are only the center of attractions. That's why they feel more anxiety and stress, and especially they are more concerned about them, especially about their looks and their appearance. Question number 4. In which of the following stage do children become active member of the peer group? Option number 1, adolescence, 2, adulthood, 3, early childhood, and number 4, childhood. And the answer will be first, that is adolescence. Because adolescence is the age where they are laying the basic foundations of their life. And especially what they feel is that their peer group or the friend circle are the basic source of identity. Like where it lead their interactions and the communications. So that's why in this option, the adolescence stage, that the children become active member of their peer group. The last question, the period of infancy is from Option birth to 2 year. Option number 2, birth to 3 years, 2 to 3 years, or birth to 1 years. Of course, we know that the infancy age group is from birth to 2 years. So this much for today videos. Thank you so much.